Welcome, today in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we have to the same wallpapers on our device home and lock screens. Now just to change the lock screen wallpaper, we should launch the settings application, and after that tap to the display section, then just click here to the wallpaper, and now we can select our new device wallpaper from our default device wallpapers from the photos, for example from the Google Disk, or also we can select the full wallpaper from our device photos previously taken on our device camera, for example, or just download it from the internet. For example, let's just use the default wallpaper here. For example, I'll select this one, then just click here to set wallpaper, and we wanna set this wallpaper on the lock screen. So here we have the message that this wallpaper set successfully, and now we can see here the changes. Also, we have the second way how we can change the lock screen wallpaper. Just hold for a while one from your device home screens, and you will see here the wallpaper section. Just tap here. By the same way, select one from the just folders with wallpapers and select by the same way, for example just this one, set wallpaper, lock screen, and now we can see that result. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.